Auckland's motorsport community is celebrating a major milestone as the first kart takes to the newly built Sir Colin Giltrap Raceway. And driving the first kart, Kit Dixon, son of New Zealand's 6-time IndyCar champ.
But you did pretty good, like, to see where the track went. It's pretty complicated.
I learned to go this full speed and full speed
on the straight, yeah.
And for Dad, this moment is deeply personal.
Very cool to see Kit. I was definitely very nervous. It wasn't our go-kart. I figured that we were going to be owning the go-kart within the hour. But it was so cool to just see the smile and the passion that he has for motor racing as well. He's only 5, but I might be in trouble here.
And brake, yes. Oh, it's good braking technique.
The future of the sport is what drove the team from KartSport Auckland, who have been working on making Sir Colin Giltrap Raceway a reality for over a decade.
This facility will help karting grow immensely. It will put us back on the map. We've struggled, to be honest, in Auckland. We've got a couple of hundred members, probably 250 members. That could easily grow to 500 now. There's some really interesting corners here, a couple of off-camber ones. There are 7 track configurations, so I suppose you could run for 7 months in a row and not even race on the same track.
The circuit's name honours Sir Colin's legacy. He was known for spotting talent and helping drivers succeed. This venue is a fitting tribute to that vision.
Colin is synonymous with supporting a lot of New Zealand talent that's come and competed overseas, and this is really a continuation of what he started, and being involved at grassroots level is a critical piece of that.
As a 13-time kart champ, Formula E racer Mitch Evans knows the value of this venue more than most.
The track I grew up at, Mount Wellington, was a great club, but the track was very different to this. It was a lot smaller, where this is more like a European standard. So it's great for learning and a great addition to all the other amazing tracks that are here in New Zealand. I'm a bit jealous. I wish I was starting karting now with this facility.
The next generation of world beaters
Is that pretty good?
will now be at full speed and on a better track than ever.